In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the items I received in my VoxBox. So if you're interested in seeing what I received, stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now, let's jump into this video. Now, this is I'm showing you the influencer box. I filled out a questionnaire on their site, and they send you a monthly box of samples. Now, here's my box for November that I want to share with you. So, this is how the box comes, and it has this cute little thing on the front just for you and the influencers. It's a cute little box. Now, when you open the box, with the questionnaire you fill out, like here it shows you the box of cozy VoxBox. So this is a VoxBox. So I really like it. They show you different things you can do, the app, the products, everything you can review. It shows you on the back of the card what is in your box. I got some Robitussin, some Natal to go, and some Sunday Non-Glow Cream. Clean Nutrition, sorry. The first item I received was the box of 12 hours Robitussin. So that'll be good with the flu season coming up. The next item I received was some gummy vitamin D3, which is really good because I need all the vitamin D I can get because I don't go out in the sun as much as I should, but I'm interested in trying these. And the next item I received was these pretzel sticks with Natal. So it's like a little dip and go thing where you dip the pretzel sticks into the Natal. So I'm really interested in trying this because I've never tried Nutella before, but I've been told it's really good. So that'd be something interesting to try. Is a hazelnut spread. So I do like hazelnuts, so this should be something I'll really be interested in. Now here's everything I received in my box today, the VoxBox. If you're interested in trying this and receiving products, I will have the link to their website down below. So I think this campaign is really interesting, and it's something that I like trying because, of course, one, you come with different interesting things when you fill out their questionnaire that they send you each month. So each month you'll get something different and something interesting to try. So if you think you're going to try it, let me know down below saying, I'm interested in that. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.